Alright, I'm at my friend's house, and the furnace is not working. Here's what happens. This is a mobile home, by the way. I'll turn the thermostat on. It's on, now it's on heat. And it's up to 75. You can see that. And what happens is, well, nothing. The blower doesn't kick on, doesn't ignite. You can't hardly see that pilot light. But I thought it was weird because the pilot light is yellow. I thought it should be like blue or something. Valves on position, and yeah, just won't ignite. And it's on heat on a fan here, blower, whatever. Just nothing kicks on. I know the blower works because you just turn it on, it turns on. When you go to turn the furnace on, it just won't kick on. No clue why. If anybody has anything they could tell me about it, that would be just amazing, because it is getting cold. Well, thank you. That is it.